Based on the results of the certificate of canvass released by the Bulacan Provincial COMELEC Office, the no votes have emerged victorious in the highly urbanized city plebiscite, outweighing the yes votes. The no votes totaled 820,385, while the yes votes amounted to 620,707, creating a margin of 199,678 in favor of the no camp. This decision has been made across the 20 towns and 40 cities in 7 districts of the province. Only Meycauayan City display a majority yes vote, garnering 61,214 votes for yes and 26,554 for no. According to COMELEC Chairman Attorney George Erwin Garcia, the cost of conducting the plebiscite for San Jose del Monte HUC amounted to a staggering 70 million pesos. When combined with the Barangay Sangguniang Kabataan elections, the total expenditure reached nearly 200 million pesos.
Alam nyo kasi medyo magastos din ang pag-hold ng isang plebisito. Hindi po yun barya-barya lamang sapagkat katulad po nito, napakaswerte na lamang dahil katulad po ng pag-hold natin ng plebisito ng San Jose del Monte, naisabay po kasi sa barangay and SK elections.
Meanwhile, voters have begun to voice their reactions for the results of the highly urbanized city plebiscite.
Siyempre, masaya kasi no yung binoto ko. Tapos mas maganda na intact pa rin yung Bulacan, yung nandun pa rin sa loob yung San Jose del Monte. Kasi unang-una, siyempre sabihin natin yung fund, yung pag-unlad ng Bulacan.
Ayaw ko pong ang San Jose del Monte, ayaw ko makapunta po sa Manila dahil yun pang Bulacan na po yan eh. Kasi liliit ng aming sa Bulacan, makaiwalay po sa Bulacan yan. Pangit po.
Despite not achieving the highly urbanized city status, COMELEC has stated that San Jose del Monte still has the option to apply for it in the future as they meet the required criteria. For now, San Jose del Monte remains a city in Bulacan.
So rejected yung proposition o yung proposal na i-convert ang San Jose del Monte, Bulacan into a highly urbanized city. Balik lang po sila sa kanilang present status na isang component city ng Bulacan. And therefore, yung deklarasyon ng pagiging highly urbanized city ng San Jose del Monte was rejected or is rejected by the people of Bulacan.
Nestor Torres, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people. We give glory to God.